Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we will talk about ReferCoin. I've choose this platform because it's a really good platform for a bounty works. Okay, if you are in bounty or if you are in airdrop, you can just join ReferCoins. Okay, so there are three major points which I prefer to choose ReferCoin on other bounties. Okay, so there are three very major points. Okay, so first is the payment. Okay, in every bounty you joined, okay, or an airdrop, okay, they pay you in their utility tokens. Okay, and after the bounty overs, if they paid, the price is not that much good. Some bounties price are excellent, okay, but some bounties price are not that much good. Okay, what they tell is not the price which we get after the bounty. Okay, so in this platform, okay, if you do the bounty works, okay, so you will get paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin, USDT and Ripple. So this is a really big major difference between a bounty or on other websites like Bitcoin Talk or any other Telegram airdrop and ReferCoin. Okay, so in this case ReferCoins wins because it pays in the only biggest currencies, okay, not any project utility token. Okay, the second major point is that there are unlimited numbers of participants which can join the bounty, but in ReferCoin there is not. Okay, so if you go over here, there is one bounty right now going off ReferCoins only. Okay, so there is a Facebook campaign over here. Okay, so you can see that there is only 310% can participate in this Facebook campaign, and in which all the participants are done. Okay, so all the 310 participants are done, so the bounty is closed for Facebook. Okay, now we check on other bounties. Okay, so there are unlimited numbers of submissions. Okay, there are unlimited numbers of entries you can make in bounty. Okay, you can get up to 500 to 1000 in Facebook, okay, in other bounties, but here is only limited number of people can join, so that the earning is also decent. Okay, you get 0.2 MBTC per week, okay, which means around $2 to $3. It's not that much good, but you are getting paid every week. Okay, so this is a really good initiative by the ReferCoin. The third and most annoying thing I do not like about bounty is that you have to give every time your proof of authentication and everything. You have to submit like your profile link and in every bounties. Okay, you join every bounties, you know that you have to give all the profile links, but in ReferCoins you have to just sign up once. Okay, when you just sign up once, that's it. Okay, and you don't have to give again and again your proof of authentication, your email IDs or everything. Okay, just one sign up. Okay, so these are the three major difference between a bounty of other like Bitcoin Talk or Telegram airdrops, okay, and between ReferCoins. Okay, so these are the three major parts in which ReferCoins wins, and I like this platform more. Okay, so now let me talk about how to sign up on this platform. I think you just know how to work. Okay, so how this work is that in every week or every month there will be a new bounties over here which they paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum or the utility coins, not in their utility coins but in a good crypto. Okay, and then you have to just come here and browse for bounties. Okay, or complete the task. Okay, what they give, like regular bounty work which you do on other platform like Bitcoin Talk or on Telegram or any other platform. Okay, and then they will get paid in every, so you will get paid in every week. Okay, it's not like a month or 2 months or after 4 months you will get your payment in their utility tokens, and in which the utility token doesn't work sometimes, but here you will get paid every week in Bitcoin, Ethereum or Dashcoin, Litecoin, USDT or Ripple. Okay, so these are the 5-6 currencies in which you can get earnings. Okay, right now they are running a bounty on their own platform. Okay, so I will let you know how to join this. Okay, so let me just show you how to sign up. Just click on sign up over here. You have to give your first name, last name, username, email, password, and you have to just again re-enter the password, which country do you belong, okay, and your referral code, and just solve this captcha and register. Okay, then a confirmation email will be gone to your email, and you have to confirm that email, and then you will come to your account. Okay, so I will show you how the account looks. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks. Okay, the pretty much good amount of Bitcoin right now. Okay, so right now the Facebook and the Twitter campaigns are off. Okay, the participant, the limited amount of participants have reached. Okay, but you can try in a video and article. I don't know about signature, if it's let me see if it is alive or not. Okay, no, it is also sold out. So 30 numbers of 30 numbers have been done. Okay, 30 signatures they want for their campaign is done. Look how much they get. Okay, 1.5 means around $15 per week. Okay, this is a really good amount. Okay, and $2.6 to $26.50 per week, so this is a really good. Okay, the hero gets $50. Okay, the senior members get 26 and the junior member gets 15. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so how to, if any bounty is right now on, okay, and you want to join, how to join, I will tell you how to join. Okay, so right now video and article bounties are on. Okay, so right now, yeah, the two bounties which are available is video and article campaign. Okay, if you want to write an article about this, you can write. If you want to make a video, you can make a video. Okay, so limited spots are available, only 82 in article and around 127 in video campaign. So if you want to try in both, you can try both also. Okay, so what you have to do is just give here you can see a box in which you have to write your what you will write about the project. Okay, the other thing is you have to give your previous work. Okay, on this in the box. Okay, the links and the medium or any other profile link. Okay, of your which you previously did. Okay, in bounties. Okay, if you write article. Okay, so you have to submit it, and then they will recheck your status. Your status will be over here. I have just submitted my status of article and it's pending right now. Okay, so once they will approve, so you can see that my video campaign is approved. Okay, so here you can see that participation accepted. Okay, and you have to just submit your work over here. Okay, so now how to submit your work. Okay, first you have to just give your participation, and then if they will approve, so you have to make article. Okay, you have to give your previous works in this box. Okay, you will show over here to participate your work. You have to just give the simply your media profile link or any other profile link, your YouTube channel. Okay, and your previous YouTube video you make. Okay, so that they can verify you you are legit or not. Okay, and then they will accept your offer. Okay, once you accept your offer, you have to just make a video or an article about the platform and you have to submit. Okay, once that is submitted, you will get your BTC. Okay, MBTC, which is around $20, $50 or $100 according to your work. Okay, so yeah, this was it for the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and do join ReferCoin, because this is a platform where you can earn in real crypto. Okay, rather than any other utility shit coins. Okay, so that was it for the video. The link of the ReferCoins will be given in description. Till then, bye bye.